become so entangled. Our hearts, they hurt the same, but somehow we always seem to shake things off. We never seem to let the burdens weigh us down. Yeah, we're okay now. We build it up again from the bottom up. Nothing ever seems to be too much for us. Together we made a stronger start. The world has turned frozen. The frost is sinking in, but the winter's almost over, and life will return again. But somehow we always seem to shake things off. We never seem to let the burdens weigh us down. Yeah, we're okay now. We build it up again from the bottom up. Nothing ever seems to be too much for us. Together we made a stronger start. Up ahead, there are diamonds coming in. Distant threads that tie futures in. But somehow we always seem to shake things off. We never seem to let the burdens weigh us down. Yeah, we're okay now. We build it up again from the bottom up. Nothing ever seems to be too much for us. Together we made a stronger start.
Don't know why I don't mind losing. Don't need to win like I used to. All I need is your heart beating, so I can follow your breathing. Don't hesitate, it's not too late. Oh, what are we waiting for? I wanna be your freedom. Worries, no, we don't need 'em. Take my hand and hold on tight. I'm gonna lead you nowhere. Maybe we'll be lost out there forever. What are we waiting for? Don't know why I can't sleep easy without you lying here with